Big challenge with this backyard. We went from the driveway level, had to go up for a second story deck, and then down into this backyard, which cascades a very steep drop down into the grass. So come on upstairs, check this deck out. One of our details that we really like to do, this is called our waterfall detail. You see this coming down the stairs here? This finishes on both sides of the stairs so that you're not looking at the cut edge of the stringer, because that makes me nuts. We've got the rail top bar here. This is a concrete rail top bar. This is what the client was looking for, the cool vibe to it. So we did that. Gorgeous furniture, of course, you see that. Beautiful AZEK decking here. And then we have all the space over here. We got our beautiful dining area over here to hang out. 80 of your friends, come over, hang out at the lounge area here. You can see the sun setting over there. So they wanted to have a nice view of the sunset, and they wanted the couches. They got a TV here for hanging out, watching TV when they want to in the evening time, and a beautiful view from the interior of the house all the way out through the fire and then out to the horizon to see the sunset. That's a really key element here when you're designing, thinking about what does the view look like from inside the house. As awesome as this is, beautiful as this is, wait till you see what we have going on downstairs. This fire is just the tip of the iceberg. Wait till you see what's going on down below. It's so cool. Come on. All right, here's where design's important. We have multiple stairs coming down here. We wanted to be able to come from the deck and come down to the patio area. We also wanted to be able to come from the driveway and the guests could walk right up the stairs. That's what the family uses a lot, in and out of the driveway, up the stairs. And we also wanted to be able to walk straight down to the patio down below. So we got a lot of stairs intersecting here, but they really all work together really, really well. It's a dry laid bluestone patio. So we come off the driveway, down the stairs, down another set of stairs here, and then onto the main part of the patio. Now this patio is elevated over the backyard, right? The backyard drops off. We have another set of stairs over there to get down to the yard. But this level up here provides awesome views of the backyard because you're up a little bit, right? This right here, this is our double. As far as I know, we're the only ones that did this. This is the second one we've done. We did a faux wood mantle on this here. Then we have the stone up and down. So we have the fire up on top that you saw before. And now we have a double-sided fire. So this is three-way. You got fire top, fire in the front, and fire underneath the deck. So check this out. You want a shady area, protected from the elements. We've got heaters down there, ceiling fan down here. We've got this awesome fire. Still beautiful view of the backyard, see-through, really nice flow between both spaces here. So that's one of the things that's really important when you're thinking about designing. How does it feel if there's a whole bunch of people here? You don't want to be cut off from the outside. Really works out well. So one of the things to consider when you're putting in a fire. And then if you're building a fireplace, why not go all the way up and put it at the top as well? So really loving the way this all came together. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, if you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that follow button, and come back and check out our next project. We got some crazy projects coming up. I'll see you on the next one.